Hi everyone, we've received so many emails asking about Pink Ryno Studio, so today, we're inviting you inside for a special look. At Pink Ryno, we search every day for fun and meaningful ideas that children will love. Together with many teachers, we turn those ideas into videos filled with imagination, learning, music, and joy. Through this creative process, new characters come to life and new music is created. Our goal is simple: to create videos that children love, enjoy, and remember. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support gives us great strength and helps us keep creating even better videos for children. Please show Pink Ryno lots of love. Thank you so much for watching Pink